Okay, we're ready for our next flight. This time Liam's going to fly his maiden flight on a rocket. First time flight ever for Liam, so well done. It's GNB1, Gold and Black 1 is the name of the rocket by Estes. It's flying on a D12 to about 600 feet. So good luck. Yeah, he's down on the side. So this is a heads-up flight, being a maiden flight, so if we could have everyone watching, thank you. And if we have clear skies.
I think it's a maiden flyer too, Mark.
And a maiden flyer, first time ever. I'll stand still. Okay, up. Okay. Right. We're launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful straight flight. Just stand back.
I'm going to ask my parents if I would.
Well done, Liam.
The cows are chasing.